Hello Internet marketers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the best ways to build a profitable online business with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. But how can you make sure that your affiliate marketing efforts are successful and profitable? Stick around to find out. Here are some tips for building a profitable online business with affiliate marketing. Choose the right niche. The first step to building a profitable affiliate marketing business is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a high demand for products. This will make it easier for you to create valuable content that resonates with your audience and drives them to make a purchase. Build a strong online presence. In order to be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build a strong online presence. This includes creating a professional website or blog, engaging with your audience on social media, and consistently creating high-quality content that adds value to your visitors. Choose the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. It's important to choose affiliate programs that offer high commission rates, provide quality products, and have a good reputation. Do your research and only promote products that you truly believe in and that align with your brand. Use multiple traffic sources. Diversifying your traffic sources is essential for building a profitable affiliate marketing business. Don't rely solely on one platform or traffic source, such as organic search or social media. Experiment with different strategies, such as email marketing, paid advertising, and influencer partnerships, to reach a larger audience and drive more sales. Track your results and optimize. Finally, it's important to track your results and constantly optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Use analytics tools to monitor your traffic, conversions, and sales, and adjust your strategy as needed. By continuously testing and tweaking your approach, you can maximize your earnings and build a successful online business with affiliate marketing. So there you have it, Internet marketers. By following these tips, you can build a profitable online business with affiliate marketing. Remember to choose the right niche, build a strong online presence, choose the right affiliate programs, use multiple traffic sources, and track your results to optimize your strategy. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on internet marketing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.